Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to lock the focus on a photo with the iPhone 13 Pro. First, open up the camera app, and then find the subject that you want to have in focus. I'm just going to focus in on this tree, and then press and hold on the thing that you want to be focused on, and that will lock the focus. Now, if I walk away, you can see that everything goes out of focus because the focus is locked in that position. So if I walk back up to the tree to where I locked it, everything comes back into focus because it is locked there. And that's how you lock the focus on a photo on the iPhone 13 Pro.